Updating your camera's firmware. Just like your computers and phones, your camera needs to be updated as well too to get the latest and greatest in terms of performance and extra features. The first step that you're going to want to do is go online and do a search for the specific camera that you're wanting to update. Next up, be sure you're downloading that firmware from the official manufacturer's website. The full details for the update will of course vary by camera and manufacturer, so be sure to follow the step-by-step instructions for updating your camera. 9 times out of 10 though, updates revolve around a similar process of dropping the downloaded file into the memory card's root folder. I'm going to go ahead and show you guys how to do that right now. Alrighty, so now that you have the firmware downloaded onto your computer, you're going to go ahead and find it. 9 times out of 10, it's going to be in your download section, and then you're going to open it and unpack it. And it's going to basically show you all the firmware stuff you need to basically drag and drop. So I'm going to do that right now. Easy as 1, 2, 3, there, let it do its thing. And then after that, go ahead and pop the memory card out and put it back into the camera system. Alrighty, now that we have the memory card with the firmware back into the camera, we're going to go ahead and find our way into the camera settings. Now this is going to be applicable with all camera systems. It's going to be different for each one: Sony, Canon, Nikon, Fuji, and of course Panasonic. But for Panasonic and the GH6 specifically, it's going to be in the wrench icon. It's going to be right here. So you're going to click on that. Typically you click on firmware update and it's going to ask you to say a yes or agree on it. Of course you're going to agree, and it's going to start the firmware update. And that's all there is to it. If you guys found the video helpful, please be sure to give the video a like, subscribe to us as well too, as we'll be releasing more content in the future. And if you guys have any other questions, please feel free to leave them in the comments section down below. Of course, this is Raph from B&C Camera, and I'll catch you guys in another video. See ya.